This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape, functional utility for a modern lifestyle. This crossover has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.